Good morning, children. In today's video, I will be discussing some important questions of F block. See, F block elements, that is, a part of inorganic chemistry, and moreover, what we find is in this chapter, it's very difficult to remember the questions and all. So I've just jotted down all important questions, the probable questions which can be asked from this chapter. Right, like the first question is lanthanum a F block element? Normally children have that confusion that lanthanum, is it F block or not, because lanthanum, it appears to be a lanthanides part, but no, it's a D block element, it's not F block. Right. The next question is, among lanthanoids, Ln 3 plus compounds, Ln is the general symbol we write down for lanthanides, that 3 is more stable oxidation state, that's more predominant. However, occasionally you also find 2 and 4, they're also obtained. The reason for that is in 3, it is having a most stable thing. For the lanthanides, we find that 3 is most stable. It is because they have empty, half-filled or completely filled 4f orbital, which shows extra stability. And it is also observed, like suppose it forms 2, it will have a tendency to become 3. But in this case, it's increasing its oxidation state, right? From 2, it's becoming 3. So from 2, it's becoming 3 means it's undergoing oxidation. It will be acting as a reducing agent. Same way, if it is in 4 oxidation state, it will have a tendency to go to 3. I mean to say whether 2 or 4, it will try to become 3, which is more stable for it. So for 4, when it is becoming 3, itself is undergoing reduction. So it's a very good oxidizing agent in case. So in a way, in case, a 1 mark question is asked in board exam, you are going to just write down because they have empty, half-filled or full-filled 4f orbitals, which show extra stability, right? Now, on the basis of lanthanide contraction, you are also asked, to justify, give reason type. You have to explain these. Right. So let me consider these. The first question says, on the basis of lanthanide contraction, explain the nature of bonding in lanthanum oxide to lutetium oxide. Right. So we know in lanthanides the size decreases. From lanthanum to lutetium, size decreases. So when the size decreases, covalent character increases. Right. So we will say that lanthanum La2O3 is more ionic and lutetium is more covalent. Right. The next question says, on the basis of lanthanide contraction only, again you're asked. So it is trends in the stability of the oxosols of lanthanides from lanthanum to lutetium. As the size decreases, the stability decreases. Stability of the oxosol decreases. Right. The stability of the complexes will increase, because smaller the size, smaller the size of the lanthanide, the complex form will be more strong. Right. So it is the stability of the complexes increases as the size of the lanthanide decreases. Then the next is radii of 4D and 5D elements is almost the same. It is because, of the lanthanide contraction. It's actually one of the consequences of lanthanide contraction. In all the post-lanthanide elements, that is in 5D series, we find the size to be almost the same. So in a way, 3D to 4D size increases, but 4D and 5D series elements have nearly the same size. Right. The next comes is the trends in the acidic nature of lanthanide oxide. That is fine. Actually, for earlier what we discussed was covalent and ionic. This is acidic nature. So acidic nature will increase because the covalent nature is increasing across from lanthanum. In the first part we have discussed covalent nature increases. So the acidic nature will increase from La to Lu. Right. Now we come to fourth question. It says, what is actinide contraction and what causes actinide contraction? What are the cause of it? It's the same thing like we answer for lanthanide contraction. For lanthanide, what we say? That the 4f orbital has poor shielding, so the size decreases across. The same is the answer for it. The steady decrease in the atomic radii as the atomic number increases from left to right in actinide, that is called as actinide contraction. That's actually because of the poor shielding of 5f orbital. So children, in between you can take a pause and make notes separately for the F block probable questions. Right. Next, we are on to question number 5, which says first ionization energy of 5D series is higher than that of 4D and 5D, or 4D, 3D and 4D. Why? The answer to this is the 5D series have more nuclear charge and the weakest shielding of the valence electron. If they are the post-lanthanide ones, so post-lanthanides have comparatively smaller size, that is why they will have more ionization energy in comparison to 3D and 4D. So what was the question? 5D series have higher ionization than 3D and 4D. Got it? That's because of lanthanide contraction size is less. Actinides show large variety of oxidation states. That is because of very less energy difference between ultimate, penultimate and anti-penultimate shell. That is 7s ultimate shell, 6d penultimate, 5f anti-penultimate. The energy gap is less. So all of them equally participate in the bond formation. So they are capable of showing large number of oxidation states. Right? Next, name a member of the lanthanide series which exhibits +4 oxidation state. So this is only one element, that is cerium. Though others are showing, we discussed, but for them, that is not stable. They will ultimately have a tendency to become 3. Right? Now, we are left with just 3 more questions. Children, I am telling again, please take a pause in between and note the answers. Separation of mixture of lanthanides is difficult. Or sometimes they ask, the framing of the question might be different, but the answer will be the same. That's because of lanthanide contraction. The radii is too small. Because of lanthanide, what happens? In all these lanthanides elements, the size is too small. Size small means they will have similar properties. Similar properties means it is very difficult to isolate them. It's very difficult to isolate. Yeah, instead of that, it is separation is difficult. It can be asked, it is difficult to isolate the lanthanides from each other. Give reason for that. Right? Another probable question is actinide contraction is greater from element to element than lanthanide contraction. That's because of the poor shielding of 5f orbital. 5f orbital is still poorer than 4f. We say 4f is poor, but 5f is still poorer than the 4f orbital. That's the reason why actinide contraction is still greater than lanthanide. Moving on to the next question, it says what is lanthanide contraction, and write 2 consequences. So there are 2 main consequences. First, what I am explaining is what is lanthanide contraction. That's the same thing. 4f orbital, poor shielding, not able to provide effective shielding. That's why with the atomic number increase, the radii decreases. There are 2 main consequences. You can add on one more also. I will explain. First is similarity in properties. So it's very difficult to isolate. That we also discussed in question number 8. And then another one is the basicity difference. The covalent nature increases across the period. That is from lanthanum to lutetium. Covalent nature increases. Children, you can add 2 more in fact to this. You can add in this lanthanide contraction 1 more, the third one as 4D and 5D series elements have nearly the same size. And the fourth one, what you can add is inert pair effect. In all post-lanthanide elements, the pair of s electron becomes inert. That is because of lanthanide contraction. So though in this question, children, 2 were asked, so I am mentioning 2, but otherwise you will add 2 more. One is because of similar size, it's difficult to isolate them. Second, the size decreases, the covalent nature increases from lanthanum to lutetium. The third one is inert pair effect, and the fourth one is 4D, 5D series elements have nearly the same size. Got it? Right. So now just one more question. The question says, write one similarity and one difference between the chemistry of lanthanides and that of actinides. Similarity is both show contraction, irregularity in their configurations. Because of the poor shielding of f orbital, whether it is 4 and 5, they have contraction, and irregularity because the ultimate, penultimate and anti-penultimate, the orbitals energy difference is too less. right? And the difference is actinides show large range of oxidation states. They have a lot of oxidation state. The energy gap is still lesser in them, right? Whereas in lanthanides, plus 3 is more stable oxidation state. Got it? So please write the notes, revise it properly. I hope the video is useful to you people. Thank you for watching.